Finally, I can call myself a programmer because I have made my first Windows app, and here it is. It is called scrcpy GUI. This is a graphical user interface for a really popular free and open source program called scrcpy. The funniest part is I have done a video on similar programs before multiple times. I think one of the most popular GUI is this scrcpy plus. It's not in active maintenance. Okay, there are new features in scrcpy, so we don't get that. So I was kind of frustrated and I wanted to make my own app which includes the new feature of scrcpy. Yeah, somehow I managed to create an GitHub account and made this a open source project. Okay, now let's first talk about the program itself. It's pretty simple program. If you're a programmer, it shouldn't take that much time to make it, but trust me, it took me almost a month to make it because I had to try this multiple times. Now, one thing I want to clarify here is that I made this using AI, specifically Gemini, okay? And it took hundreds of attempts to make this because just getting a code from AI isn't enough. You also need to know about the other things like compiling and everything. But finally, here it is. And I think I can make these kind of applications now. So with this app, you can mirror your phone to your PC. Let me show you all the features of this thing. Okay. Here you can see there is no device detected because I haven't connected my phone to my PC. So I'm going to connect my phone. Now I'm going to hit refresh and it actually refreshes and gets the phone. On the phone side, you have to enable the developer option and USB debugging and then connect your phone to your PC and it will recognize it. Okay. Just click on refresh and it will recognize. At the top, you'll see binary status. It will automatically detect the scrcpy on your system if you have installed, or if you have downloaded the scrcpy, you extract it, you select the scrcpy folder and select, and it will auto detect. Okay, and you can also click on this download button to download the latest scrcpy from the official GitHub page. Once your phone is connected, you can choose the resolution like 720p, 1080p, or original. And you can also change the FPS, and you can also change the bitrate, and you can also rotate your phone when you mirror. Now here is another cool feature in this, the desktop mode. Using this, you can connect your phone in a desktop mode. So let's say I want to mirror my phone at 1080p, 60 FPS, and just click on launch mirroring, and kaboom, here it is. Okay. So that's it. Now you can control your phone using the mouse and keyboard and all that. Okay. So yeah, that's that. Again, I can go like 480p. Okay. Let's launch it. Now it's a smaller screen. I can have the original launch, and this is original. And you can also see what it does in the background. Now you can also enable the desktop mode just like that and launch it. Now your phone will launch in desktop mode. Okay, there is a built-in desktop mode feature in Android, starting from Android 16. Okay, so you can use your phone as a PC, and you can also enable and disable the system audio. And there are some useful keyboard shortcuts too. Like for example, you can enter full screen by pressing the Alt and F when you mirror your phone. Now I can press Alt F and it will go full screen. To exit, Alt F again, and it will exit out of full screen. And you can also drag and drop and install APKs on your phone using this. And at the bottom, it's about page. You'll have the link to my GitHub, YouTube, and the blog post. That's it. Pretty simple, easy to use. I mean, the app is made for using scrcpy easier. It provides the graphical user interface. To use most of the features of scrcpy, you have to type it in the command prompt. okay, manually. So using this, you don't have to do that. Everything is here. You can just select the different resolution, frame rate. You can go up to like 120 FPS, and there are some other options like desktop mode. If you have multiple Android phones connected, you can also select the specific phone from here. Now let's talk about a little bit of technical stuff here. Okay, this is a Electron app, okay, which means it's gonna be a little bit heavy. Okay, like it's gonna be a couple of megabytes, like above 100 megabytes. But this is like one of the most popular wrapper for Windows apps right now. Like Discord and many other popular apps actually use the Electron wrapper. One of the downside of Electron is that the program size is huge, okay, and it might consume more resources. Since this is a pretty simple app, it shouldn't consume that much resources. Let's open the task manager, and here scrcpy GUI. Yeah, I mean, it's only using like 138 megabytes. If it was built on something else like maybe Rust or something, it would use even less system resources. Since this is my first program, and since the Electron is easy to create and package, I just went with it. Yeah, it doesn't use that much system resources, okay? Because it's just a graphical user interface. That's it, okay? It doesn't do much. If it had a actual usage, some processing or something, it would use more system resources. And to get this program, you can go to my official GitHub page. Now I am also a programmer somehow, and yeah, you can access all the things that I used, the source code. It's right here if you want to fork it or make it better or whatever you want to do, or if you want to request a feature, request it and I'll try improving it. Okay, again, one of the main reason why I made this is because I actually prefer GUI for scrcpy, and I have been using GUI for scrcpy to connect my phone to my PC because it's easy. The problem is most of the GUIs are now not up to date with the latest features of scrcpy. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it myself. Okay, I'm not gonna wait for someone else to make it. And yeah, that's what I did with this. Okay, this is my first release. Again, it took me almost a month to make this, even with the help of AI. I am actually working on another program, and I'm trying to make this a Rust based program. So it will be, smaller in size, and it will use less system resources. Again, since this is a GUI, it really doesn't matter that much, but still I wanted to try Rust. I need to install so many things to build a program based on Rust. On the other side, Electron is lightweight for the developers. Okay, you don't need much programs on your system, but the output is heavier. I'll try making the other program on Rust if possible. I think you need even more knowledge on Rust. If I fail, then I'll go with the Electron. Okay, but I'm trying. Okay, the second program is also on the way, and look at this. My music folder is empty, so that's why I have all the projects in the music folder. The scrcpy GUI is ready to use. It's my first release. If you find any glitches or any bugs, yeah, you can go to GitHub. I don't know how to maintain GitHub, to be honest, but I'm pretty sure I'll see something here. I'll figure it out. I'll try my best to make this a good project, and I'll keep it up to date. If you go to releases, you'll find two files here: scrcpy GUI slow and GUI unpacked fast. So I recommend you guys to use the fast one, which is a unpacked version. It's a zip file. Download it, unzip it, and use it. Okay, the exe one is a bit slower. Every time you launch it, it's gonna extract itself in temporary folder and then launch every time. Okay, on the other side, it's like a portable program. You can just extract it and launch the exe, or you can also create a desktop shortcut and you'll be good to go. Once you extract it, you'll see this, and here you just launch the scrcpy GUI. And I know how difficult it is to make something for free and put it on GitHub and maintain it for a long time. Yeah, now I understand why some of the open source project just gets abandoned. Now, yeah, I'm already working on a project too. This is, in my opinion, a really useful program if you mirror your phone to your PC using scrcpy. Now you have the GUI. And the second program is also pretty useful. That one is also a GUI for something really cool. Let me actually tell you. You know, there is a thing called Windows Recovery Tool from Microsoft. You have to use it through the command prompt. So I'm going to make my own GUI and make it easy to use. Yeah, again, I used AI to make this, specifically Google Gemini. Worked out pretty well. I also tried ChatGPT, but let's just say it didn't work that well. I actually tried many AIs, but at the end, Gemini worked. And when I first started making this, there was some of my fault too, because I wasn't able to understand few things in programming. So yeah, and yeah, I'm hoping you'll find this program useful. And don't forget to start the program or whatever you do on the GitHub. This is my first program. And yeah, I think I'm just talking too much now. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. But if you have any questions or have any suggestions for me, you can always do the comment and we can have some chit chat in the comment section too. Yeah, that's it. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.